So we happen to have our cat here in the office right now. Our veterinarian is right across the parking lot from us, so very convenient to our office. And so we had our cat go in for a checkup. Doing great, so good job, Katrin. I thought this was a good opportunity to talk about pets and how pets and estate plans, how we can handle pets in that situation. And so there's a few different ways we can take care of pets. So I would say the most common way that people will handle pets in their estate plan is to include them in the list of personal items that they are wanting to distribute out to people. So it seems a little bit callous to treat the pet as a piece of furniture or an object, but that's definitely the simplest way to include pets. So this gives you the flexibility for you to be able to basically update that list in the future over time. We don't think that the pet you have now is likely to be the pet that you will have at the time you pass away. So it's going to be a continuous step to change your pet name, unless you're like my dad, who's 95 and has had 2 dogs with the same name, Happy. So that's another strategy, a little pro tip for you if you don't want to have to update your list. So second way we can handle pets is similar to what I just described, but we may want to give some type of dollar amount to the person who's going to care for the pet. Generally, it's better if those dollars are not in some extraneous document, but we rather include them in the plan itself. So you may decide anyone who is caring for one of your pets should get a particular dollar amount. And of course, I'm thinking of all of the what-if cases. So sometimes people say, well, give, $5,000 or $10,000 to each person who gets one of my pets. And then I'm thinking about the fish tank that has, 20 fish in it. So I'll take care of that. Make sure we don't spend all of your inheritance on just the people taking care of your pet. But that's another strategy. The thing to realize is that strategy generally is just, here's the gift, right? You get the money. I trust you to take care of the pet. There is a third way to handle things, and this involves an actual pet trust. So this might be more appropriate if it's a long-lived pet, and if there were substantial dollars involved in needing to care for that pet. So I've had clients with horses, for example, where the substantial amount of money is going to be needed for the care of those horses. And so with a pet trust, you have a trust that after you pass away would become irrevocable, meaning unchangeable. Someone would be in charge of that trust to take care of the funds and make sure that they're available for the pet. And then typically at the end of that trust, whatever money is left over after the pets have all passed away would go to some maybe animal charity or to the person who is caring for the pets. It would be your choice. I'm here to advise, give you options, and help give you some guidance on pros and cons. So hopefully that helped. And I hear Katrin in the background, so I'd better go check on her right now.